Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate Keyboard Clipboard on a Realme 11 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to pop open a keyboard. In this case I'm using Google search. Here you should be able to see this clipboard icon. Click on it and then make sure that it's enabled with the switch right here, that the circle is on the right side. Now you can basically write anything like hard reset, hold your finger over the text and copy it. Now it should automatically move to your clipboard. Here it is. You can click on it to instantly paste that text. Click on this pen button and you'll be able to remove any text that you've added by clicking on this trash bin icon. Now you can also pin a specific text with this pin right here, and you will also see it above any other text that you've added. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.